Welcome to Taste of Thai 2. Just because you guys asked for it and nangulit kayo, let's do it all over again. And we're gonna make it with 3 new recipes that are sure to be a hit and a winner for you guys. You can expect authentic recipes coming your way in Taste of Thailand Part 2. We're going to make your mango sticky rice the proper way, about 4 or 5 easy steps, and you're right there in Bangkok. We're also making some of my favorite soup, which is the tom yum, and I make it with fresh river prawns or ulang, and I make it creamy. So this is something you're going to enjoy. And then I'm going to make this chicken that we're gonna brine and marinate in Thai spices and flavors that your family is surely going to enjoy with this special Thai sauce. These recipes are not difficult at all, and I think a beginner can easily make them. All the ingredients are easy to find because, again, Thai food is so widespread already that it's easy to find Thai ingredients all over. There are also substitutes that I suggest in the video. Ingredients shouldn't be a problem for you guys. So please come join me and take this trip again. Part 2, Taste of Thailand, only here at the Bailiwick Academy.